This is a simple trick that has helped me and will help you take control of your life. It's called the Eisenhower box. Now, all of the tasks that you do during the day can be split into these 4 squares. Now, number 1 are the tasks that are urgent and important. For example, preparing for the exam that is tomorrow, or doing a client pitch that is tomorrow, so you're stressing out. So this is a crisis. This one you have to do ASAP. The square number 2 are the tasks that are not urgent but important. For example, strategic career planning, applying to universities, applying for jobs, networking, something that you know is important, but it doesn't have the time pressure right now. These ones you have to plan, else you will never do them. Square number 3 are the tasks that are urgent but not important. For example, replying to an email about your bills or something that is really routine, or for example, booking travel somewhere, right? You kind of have to do it, but it's not something super important. So these tasks you have to delegate. So find someone else who will be able to do it for you. Now, square number 4, this is probably where most of your things are the tasks that are not urgent and not important. For example, scrolling social media, watching TV, something that brings no value in your life. So these ones you have to just drop.